recording the sewer line here at 8536 25th Ave Northwest up here in Ballard. Date is January 29th, 2021. Recording this from the clean out recently installed here in the back of the home. Gonna come back from the city main. You're looking at the city main out there running underneath 25th. Gonna come back from this point, get a good look at the line. 6-inch diameter shared concrete pipe between 8536 and the neighbor to the north. See, we've got some rocks, some built up sewage down here. The sewage is not making it all the way to the main. A little bit of a settled section there possibly. Definitely quite a bit of debris and buildup. Slight turn out there too. It's a rough old concrete pipe. Got a tie in there on the left side of the pipe, top left side of the screen. So we're looking at about 59 feet before we get back to this tie-in on the left side of the screen. I'm going to zero out our footage there again. Got another tie-in on the left side of the screen here. So another 4 feet back or so, zeroing out the footage there again. Rock in the pipe there. Another rock. Got the neighbor's tie-in coming on the right side of the screen at this point. So another 10 feet back, almost 11. And we come up out of the 6-inch diameter, so there's another 2 feet of 6-inch before we come back into 4-inch diameter pipe. So now we're in 4-inch diameter concrete.
Coming out.
Okay.
I'm going to stay 6 feet.
Okay, I'm okay. I'm just making a recording here for myself and get some footages and all that.
Sure.
I'll send over with my bid. So you grew up in Ballard, huh?
I grew up in the south. Yeah.
There you go. I grew up kind of north Queen Anne, but went to Whitman Middle School. And
Oh, did you really? My daughter was.
oh yeah.
And I went there too. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was probably a little earlier than you though.
Probably a few. How old's your daughter?
She could be 13 or next month.
Oh, okay. So she's quite a bit younger.
Yeah. She's there now.
At home going there. And we got about 40 feet of 4-inch diameter concrete before we come back into this clean out. End the video there.